Nature underpins indeed our very existence. Our forests, rivers, oceans, and soil provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water aggregate our crops with.
How to prevent biodiversity loss? To prevent biodiversity loss, we need to support local and regional projects aimed at tackling biodiversity, buying fewer products and making sure the products you do buy minimize the impact on biodiversity, investing in ways to promote biodiversity, reducing waste of consumer goods, foods, clothes, and electrical appliances.
One of the easiest and most effective ways to help the wildlife is to preserve the environment in which the animals live. Volunteer with organizations in your area to restore the native forests, grasslands, coastal ecosystems by planting some native species, manually removing invasive plant species, and take out old fences.
That's why our advocacy, invest the nature, help environment for the animals and human as well.